Hey, this is Jane from Teamwork and welcome to our product updates video. So firstly, let's talk about resource scheduling. Resource scheduling enables our users to plan projects while also taking into account work that has already been allocated to their users. Resource scheduling is incredibly interactive, meaning that you can make quick in-context decisions when planning your projects. Next, we have client users. So client users allows you to bring your clients into your workplace more easily than ever before. Client users can avail of full functionality within Teamwork at no added cost, meaning they can add and create work, log time, add messages, and collaborate more closely with your team. And lastly, before I wrap up, I wanted to give you guys a quick sneak peek at a feature that we have coming up later this quarter. So you're going to see the first pre-canned report in Teamwork by way of the Project Health Report. Project Health Reports are going to allow you to see the health of your project, the percentage completion of tasks, budget used and budget remaining, all from within one place. And that has been our Teamwork product update. Thank you, and we'll see you at the next one.